Ever feel like you've got a fantastic product idea, the perfect Shopify store all set up, but then hit a wall when it comes to actually finding those products to sell? You're not alone. Sourcing products can be a real headache, taking up valuable time you could be spending on marketing, customer service, or, actually running your business. But what if I told you there was a way to tap into a massive marketplace of products, easily import them into your Shopify store, and automate a good chunk of the fulfillment process? Sounds pretty good, right? Well, that's where Oberlo comes in. For those who aren't familiar, Oberlo was a game changer for dropshipping on Shopify. It acted as a bridge, connecting your store with suppliers on AliExpress, allowing you to browse and import products with just a few clicks. When a customer placed an order on your Shopify store, Oberlo would then automatically forward that order information to your chosen supplier, who would then ship the product directly to your customer. Less hassle, less inventory to manage, more time to focus on growing your brand. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Wait a minute, I heard Oberlo isn't around anymore. And you'd be partially right. Shopify officially discontinued Oberlo in June 2022. But don't click away just yet. The spirit of Oberlo, its core functionality of seamless product sourcing and dropshipping, lives on in a fantastic alternative, Ceres. Think of Ceres as Oberlo's powerful successor, built by the same team and offering even more features and integrations. It essentially picks up where Oberlo left off, providing a robust platform to connect your Shopify store with AliExpress and other suppliers, automate your dropshipping workflow, and streamline your online business. So, if you're looking for that same ease of product sourcing and order fulfillment that Oberlo offered, Ceres is the answer. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install Ceres on your Shopify store, step by step, so you can start exploring a world of products and simplify your dropshipping journey. Alright, let's dive in. The process is actually quite straightforward. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Shopify App Store. You can do this directly from your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps. This will open up your current apps. Near the top right, you'll see a button that says Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply type in Ceres and hit enter. You should see the Ceres app pop up as the first result, often with a high rating and a description highlighting its dropshipping capabilities. Click on the Ceres app listing. This will take you to the apps page, where you can learn more about its features, pricing, and read reviews from other Shopify store owners. Take a quick look around if you like, but when you're ready to install, you'll see a prominent Add App button. Click on that. Shopify will then ask you to authorize Ceres to connect with your store. This is a standard procedure for any app you install on Shopify. You'll see a breakdown of the permissions the app is requesting, such as access to your orders, products, and customer data. This is necessary for Ceres to function correctly and automate the dropshipping process. Review the permissions and, if you're comfortable, click the Install App button. After clicking Install App, you'll be redirected to the Ceres platform. Now you'll likely be prompted to create a Ceres account or connect an existing one. If you're new to Ceres, you can easily sign up using your email address or even your Google or Facebook account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you have a Ceres account, the next crucial step is to link it with your Shopify store. Ceres should automatically detect your Shopify store during the sign-up process. If it doesn't, there will usually be a clear option to connect to Shopify or similar. Click on this and follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your Ceres account and your Shopify store. This is what allows Ceres to communicate with your Shopify store, import products, and manage orders. With your Shopify store successfully linked to Ceres, you're almost ready to start exploring products. You'll likely be taken to the Ceres dashboard, which might look a little different depending on updates to the platform, but generally, you'll find sections for finding products, managing your imported products, and handling orders. One of the key features of Ceres, just like Oberlo before it, is its integration with AliExpress. To connect your AliExpress account, if you have one, to Ceres, navigate to the Account or Settings section within the Ceres dashboard. You should find an option to link your AliExpress account. This will allow you to directly import products from AliExpress into your Ceres account and then push them to your Shopify store. Follow the instructions to authorize the connection. Once your AliExpress account is linked, you can start browsing and importing products. Ceres offers various tools to help you find products, including search filters, product categories, and even the ability to import products directly from AliExpress product pages using the Ceres Chrome extension. To import a product, you'll typically find an Add to Ceres button on the AliExpress product page if you have the Chrome extension installed, or within the Ceres platform itself when browsing. After importing, you can then edit the product title, description, pricing, and variants within Ceres before pushing it to your Shopify store. And that's essentially it. You've successfully installed Ceres on your Shopify store and connected it to AliExpress or other available suppliers. You're now ready to start exploring products, importing them to your store, and streamlining your dropshipping process. Remember to explore the various features within the Ceres dashboard, such as order management, pricing rules, and supplier optimization tools to get the most out of the platform. While Oberlo might be gone, Ceres has stepped up to provide an even more comprehensive solution for your dropshipping needs on Shopify. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.